If you've ever wanted to upscale video quality on CapCut and make your footage look sharper, cleaner, and more professional, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step, even if you're brand new to CapCut. This is a super useful trick if you have an older clip, a low-resolution recording, or just want to improve the overall look before exporting. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy editing tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut and start a new project. Once you're inside, click Import and bring in the video clip you want to improve. You can drag the file directly from your computer and drop it into CapCut, then place it onto the timeline. This is important because CapCut needs the clip on the timeline before you can access the quality enhancement settings. Now click once on the video clip in the timeline so it becomes selected. When the clip is selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut shows the editing controls for your video. From there, open the Video tab and then click Basic. In the Basic section, scroll down until you find the Enhance Quality option. This is the feature that helps CapCut improve the clarity and resolution of your clip. Once you see it, click the option and you'll be given a choice between HD and UHD. If you want a stronger boost in quality, choose UHD. If you want a lighter enhancement, HD is still a great option. After selecting your preferred enhancement level, let CapCut process the video. Depending on the length and size of your clip, this may take a little bit of time, so just give it a moment to finish. Once it's done, you should notice that your footage looks more polished and better suited for sharing online. This is especially useful for social media videos, YouTube uploads, edits from older footage, or any clip where you want a cleaner final result. A quick tip here: if your original video is very low resolution, upscaling can improve it, but it won't turn a blurry video into true full quality, so it's always best to start with the highest quality file you have available. Another helpful tip is to preview the clip after enhancement before you export, so you can make sure the result looks right for your project. And that's it. Now you know how to upscale video quality on CapCut using the built-in Enhance Quality feature. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in how professional your videos look. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more CapCut tips, editing tricks, and quick how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.